What does a factory that produces over 2 million annually look like? Come with us for a quick tour of Kinco's Shenzhen factory.
The facility spans 12,000 square meters. Here we produce low-voltage servos, high-voltage servos and integrated motors, HMI, PLC. The second floor serves as the factory's operations hub. It connects the office area with the electronic components warehouse, keeping information and materials flowing smoothly. These dashboards track key production metrics, quality, repair rates, and delivery performance.
The first pass yield of the factory is stable at 98.5%. Achieve high-quality standards in the industry.
The third floor is dedicated to motion control products. Each unit goes through a complete production process: programming, assembly, electrical testing, system test, and final inspection. Every stage ensures the precision and reliability of every product. The fourth floor produces HMI panels and PLCs. From programming and assembly through calibration, testing, and packaging to final OK inspection, the workflow is fully integrated.
The final stop before delivery is the finished products warehouse. Kinco's shipping process is built on accuracy, efficiency, and full traceability. The shipping error rate stays below 0.01%.
Lean production layouts, digital dashboards, end-to-end quality traceability. Together, they keep Kinco's core processes operating at over 99% stability. So every Kinco product leaving this factory is fully prepared for the real world.